Recording details of the access card is mandatory for processing employee attendance. greytHR allows you to record and manage details of the access card issued to an employee on the access card details page. Navigate to the access card details page from the employee information section and select the employee to get started. Click on Add button. Then enter the access card number and from date. To date is not a mandatory field, so you can leave this blank and save the changes. You can modify access card details by clicking on the edit icon at any point in time. If an employee has resigned, you can delete the details by clicking on the delete button and confirming it. Click on the save button to update the details. Please ensure there is no duplication of access card numbers for your employees. You can find the employee card details reports from the Query Builder section under Reports. With that, we come to an end. Thank you for watching the greytHR How-To video series.